Hello Casio fans. I am quite sure that you remember my first video in which I have tried to replace the module of this watch. This is the A168 and with a semi-successful business I have managed to replace the module, and I am saying that it was not entirely successful because the model came from a donor that do not fit very well. This model is slightly worse because it was taken from a €2 watch replica of the A168, and it is a mess because I have made some adjustment in the interior and the model did not fit quite well. Now, after more than 1 year, I have managed to buy an original A168 to take the module out. Well, I am hoping that this one, the new donor, would be an original watch, because you can see that this case for sure it's made of plastic. The owner said that he has painted it black. Okay, fair enough. Under this paint you can see this brass color, so I am assuming that under this plating, under this gray plating, there's that brass color of that plastic. I have some doubts in regards the originality of this watch, and I hope that I was not mistaken when I have bought it. If we take a look on the digits, they are, I do not remember how the A168 should have looked in regards digits, but in regards the light, I guess this is the original light. Yes, this is the original light, and let's hope that this is also an original A168. If we turn around the watch, we have the back case, which looks pretty original to me. I do not see anything that raises doubts in regards to this. But if we take a look on this bracelet, for sure this is not original. This is a replica. It was from another watch, and this is because here on the lug area it's missing the ID of the bracelet, and also on the clasp is missing the Casio logo. If we look on the original Casio, we have the Casio logo on the clasp, and we have the ID of the bracelet written down. Comparing the back cases, for sure mine is less worn. This one is definitely way worn than mine. We have the same module. We have this is A168WE. Well, I'm not sure what this stands for, the WE. We would just need to check on the internet, and maybe I will put some pictures in regards to what I will find. We have the stainless steel back, the water resistance, and it's made in China. Maybe the WE refers to this army theme that we have on the display. Not sure, we will just see on the internet. The bracelet, I can say that this replica, or this bracelet which is not Casio, it's pretty good. It feels very well, at least on the first glance. I did not put it on the wrist. The man did a pretty good job, but a big question mark is these pushers. You can see that both of the pushers are somehow in the interior of the case, which is not normal, and also the third pusher is somehow in interior. And if we compare to the original one, yeah, we can see that mine has the pushers way in the exterior of the case, so you can easily press them. These are somehow embedded in the case. Now let's open the watches and replace the modules, because this is why I have bought this one, the black one. Okay, pay attention, this is not an original, this is homemade. It was a module from a A168 replica, and in order to make possible the pressing of the pushers, I had to adjust with this additional plate. This model, I had some issues. Yeah, here is the additional plate. I had a lot of issues, a lot of troubles. Each time the watch would reset when it was worn, and yeah, it was midnight and the watch was showing you 2 o'clock afternoon, so you could not wear it. Okay, we have the back case. Let's see, do we have... Yes, here is the rubber seal. It is there, it is present. And let's take out the module. It is very stubborn. Good. The battery, as I can see it is a Varta battery, so it's not the original battery. The module is original, it is made from Casio because it's written both on the plastic shell and both on the back plate the module number, and it is Casio China written, and we have the AC engravement, and yes, the model looks very similar to mine. Okay, if we look at this watch, this is golden plated in interior, so the previous owner would have switched the colors from golden to black. Maybe he got bored of the golden. Let's take a little the fingerprints out and the other impurities. Also, I would need to take them out to clean them from my watch. The interior is very important to take out the fingerprints if you have worked inside the watch, because otherwise, yeah, you would each time look at your fingerprint. Now, you would say that I would need to replace also the glass. I am afraid because this glass, it is, or I am assuming that it is somehow sticked with some adhesive tape, and I definitely do not to make something full. I will just need to keep this original glass, and also as a reminder of how I have broken this watch. In order to put back the module, we would need first to pull out or push out. From interior you have to push out the pushers and then to put the module inside. So this is the side with one pusher and the other one is the side with two pushers, and gently leave it to sink in it because it fits perfectly. Let's turn around the watch to see. No, definitely looks much better. The module does not tilt inside as the former module. It looks like it is not completely inserted. It just looks, I'm not sure. Well, is it completely inserted? If we look at it from the outside, looks like it has entered correctly inside the watch. So I will just take it out one more time just to make sure everything is okay. Yes, I do not see any leftovers from my previous work, so it should be okay. Let's sync it again. Let's put the rubber seal. I hope that this rubber seal is symmetrical, so I would not place it wrong. Some models have the Poka-yoke system, so the rubber seal would fit just in one position, but it's not the case here. Good, perfect. Only with €7 I have managed to swap the modules. I have managed to place an original Casio model inside it. This deep scar, we will leave it on the screen so that we will remember of my experience in how to damage Casio watches. I would say that my job here is done. I do not intend to replace the glass, but what I intend to do is, after I take out this lovely bracelet, because the bracelet, it is beautiful. I like it. I might put it on older watches that I have, and then I will try to see how the glass is taken out. And I'm thinking that yes, the paint is there. So yes, the paint is there, so makes no sense in replacing the glass, because the paint for the colors of the display is there, and definitely I would need to clean it with some alcohol, and that would damage the glass. It's not glass, it's plastic, so makes no sense. I like the watch as it is. It's good. It was a fun experience. I have waited 1 year in order to fix this watch. Okay, the pushers works, the beeps are working, and the time is correctly set it up. Everything works. The pushers works even better than from this watch, and I'm so glad that I have managed to fix the watch. It has passed more than 1 year. Good, perfect. Now I have reasons to wear it again. Thank you. Thank you all for the attention, and I hope that I will receive great comments and great views and subscribers as well.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.